A car without an air conditioning system? Simply unimaginable for people these days. It comes as a standard in almost all vehicles manufactured across the world today. However, this was not the case during the earlier days of automobile manufacturing. Automakers started manufacturing motor vehicles for commercial purposes at the end of the 19th century. But those vehicles were open-bodied, so the makers did not think of adding anything for air circulation. Close-bodied vehicles made their debut around 1908. Since then, inventors began their quest to develop a functional cooling system for automobiles. However, consumers had to wait until 1939 when the luxury New York manufacturer Packard developed the first functioning and practical AC system for motor vehicles. When did cars get air conditioning? Do you want to know about the first cars with air conditioning? Buckle up as we take a ride through history to see which cars kept things chill before AC became standard. Let's get started. Number 1. 1939, Packard 120. The Packard 120 is officially the first production car to offer air conditioning. Consumers had to wait until 1939 when the luxury New York manufacturer Packard developed the first functioning and practical AC system for motor vehicles. Packard made the first air-conditioned car, although it was an optional extra. Had any customer wanted it, a third-party company named Bishop and Babcock Company installed the system into the car. It was a luxury feature at a hefty cost, about $274, which is like $5,000 today. Unfortunately, Packard's weather conditioner failed to gain commercial success due to its high price tag. Also, there was no temperature control, and you had to go to the trunk to turn it off. The company discontinued it in 1941. Number 2. 1941, Cadillac Series 60 Special. After this success, several other manufacturers followed suit in the next few years. Sales of car AC units highly increased in the 60s. Cadillac changed the game by bringing an AC control system for the first time in 1964. The setting allowed changing the car temperature to a preferred temperature. Cadillac took it a step further by introducing the weather conditioner system. This was one of the earliest efforts to refine automotive air conditioning, although it still wasn't widely adopted due to World War II. Number 3. 1953, Chrysler Imperial. After World War II, car companies revisited air conditioning. The 1953 Chrysler Imperial was a revolutionary car, not just for its looks but for its comfort. This luxury vehicle introduced the AirTemp air conditioning system, developed by Chrysler in collaboration with Carrier, the same company that pioneered modern air conditioning. Chrysler's Imperial introduced a more advanced system that could control the airflow, marking a significant improvement over Packard's rudimentary setup. Number 4. 1954, Nash Ambassador. The Nash Ambassador's all-weather eye system was a game-changer. It was one of the first to offer dashboard controls, making it more user-friendly for drivers. General Motors made the air conditioner a standard feature in almost all of their models in 1953, and Nash and Pontiac followed the trend the next year. The groundbreaking step was created in 1954 with the Ambassador model. This is the result obtained after Nash merged with Kelvinator in 1937. Named All-Weather Eye, the air conditioning system on the Nash Ambassador is located in the front and is not only more compact and cheaper, but also significantly lighter than systems with the old approach. Specifically, All-Weather Eye weighs only about 60 kilograms, half that of many contemporary systems. Number 5. 1955, Cadillac Eldorado. In 1955, Cadillac went all in on air conditioning with its Eldorado model. It introduced front and rear climate control zones, quite the luxury for its time. The 1955 Cadillac Eldorado wasn't just about flashy style and powerful engines. It brought some serious luxury to the air conditioning game. Cadillac already had AC options, but this model took things to the next level by offering dual-zone climate control. That's right, back in the 50s, you could enjoy different temperatures in the front and rear seats. Number 6. 1957, Pontiac Bonneville. Pontiac joined the AC trend in 1957 with the limited edition Bonneville. This car was stylish, fast, and, for the lucky few who owned it, kept them cool on the hottest summer days. Pontiac unveiled something truly special, the limited edition Bonneville. Known for its striking design and powerful V8 engine, the Bonneville wasn't just fast, it was also cool in more ways than one. This model came with factory-installed air conditioning, making it a rare gem at a time when AC was still a luxury feature. Number 7. 1960 Lincoln Continental. The Lincoln Continental was known for its elegance, and air conditioning became standard in these models. By 1960, it was clear, if you wanted luxury, you needed AC. Lincoln Continental didn't just offer air conditioning, it made it standard. At a time when AC was still a pricey option in most cars, Lincoln set a new benchmark by ensuring that every Continental rolled off the line equipped with this feature. Number 8. 1965 Ford Mustang. Air conditioning wasn't just for luxury sedans anymore. In 1965, the Ford Mustang made AC available, showing that muscle cars could be both cool and powerful. Ford Mustang wasn't just a pioneer in the muscle car world, it was also one of the first sports cars to offer air conditioning as an option. Ford knew that car enthusiasts didn't just want speed, they wanted to cruise in style and comfort. Number 9. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Chevy's Camaro followed the Mustang's lead, offering air conditioning in a sports coupe. The '67 Camaro proved that driving fast and staying cool could go hand in hand. When Chevrolet introduced the Camaro in 1967, it was designed to compete head-to-head with the Mustang. But Chevy wasn't just focused on power, it also made sure the Camaro was cool in more ways than one. Buyers could opt for factory-installed air conditioning, making this sporty coupe a comfortable ride, no matter the weather. Number 10. 1970s Mercedes-Benz S-Class. By the 1970s, air conditioning was becoming standard in luxury vehicles. Mercedes-Benz's S-Class led the charge with automatic climate control, setting the standard for modern AC systems. When the S-Class debuted in the 1970s, it wasn't just a luxury car. It set the benchmark for what high-end automobiles should be. One of its standout features was its advanced climate control system, showcasing Mercedes-Benz's dedication to both comfort and technology. It is not an exaggeration to say that without air conditioning, cars could not become as popular as they are today. Without Willis Carrier's invention, car users would struggle to survive when driving through places with harsh weather conditions, let alone be comfortable or enjoying trips in every journey. An air conditioning system was more like a feature for luxury and premium cars in Europe, even during the early millennium years. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 first air-conditioned cars. From Packard's experimental systems to today's high-end climate control, these cars paved the way for the comfort we enjoy now. Which of these classic, cool rides would you love to drive? Let us know in the comments below.